Hey, what is up guys, it's Silversun here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Blue Yeti microphone. So, let's just get right into this. Snip off these parts here. This is a pretty big box, you already can't tell. Okay, hang on. Actually, let's go on this side real quick. Yeah, I'm not really a lefty, I'm more of a righty. Alright. Let's snip it right down the middle. Rip off the rest. Alright. I see all kinds of stuff in here. You guys can't tell already. I'll just take out some of that packaging. And then, another bag, I guess, to help protect this supposedly good microphone here. And here it is, sideways at least. Yeti. Let's focus on it a little. Give you a good rundown on the specs of the box and whatnot. But let's get into this box actually. Alright, a little flap up here. I want to be careful with this box because it looks really good. Uh-oh. Yep. Okay. Move that back a bit. Or should we have unboxed it down there? I'm not sure. Okay. Let's move some of this stuff aside. Alrighty. Put the box right up here. Okay, there's some tape here. Do you guys see some of this? Snip off most of this tape. Okay, first thing is a cable. Oh. Alright, got ourselves a little instruction manual right here. But yeah, hopefully it'll make my videos sound a bit more professional and whatnot. I've been hearing some pretty good reviews in terms of the quality of these headphones. They're obviously not the best, but I mean, it's something, you know? Oh, there it is, it's upside down. Or, no, it's not upside down. I'm thinking weirdly. Alright. It's pretty big, actually. But then again, what else could be expected? Things are usually smaller when... Oh, I don't like these things, these little salt things. Yeah, definitely don't eat those. Not that I've done it myself or anything, I'm just saying heed those warnings that they tell you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, got the microphone right here. Oh, careful with it. Nice. Just back that up so you can see it a little better. Alright. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, in terms of this unboxing. And until the next one, Silversun is out, guys.